Guys, welcome to another Understand the Real Estate term. My name is Abiola Fadahunsi and the real estate term for today is the flat. In previous videos, I've explained the term a fully detached, a semi-detached house, a terrace house, an end of terrace house. But today, I'll be explaining the meaning of a flat. No doubt, flats are the most well-known type of house here in Nigeria. And a flat is a housing unit that is self-contained and is part of a larger building with several similar units. And when I mean self-contained, I mean that you can live in and do things in your own personal space without distraction or interruption. Meaning you don't have to share, for example, kitchen or your living area with anyone, unlike what is applicable in another type of house that we'll explain in a future video. Okay, so you have your personal space to yourself without interference. You only get to share common areas such as the stairways, the corridor. But that doesn't mean that if you're a good cook and you're cooking vegetable, your neighbors will not know when you live in a flat. They will, because you have really close neighbors compared to what you have in a fully detached or in a semi-detached. But the good thing is that your food is safe if your luck is good, unlike what we have in a different type of house that I will explain in a later video. Okay, and a flat is a single family house which includes rooms, kitchen, and at least a bathroom and toilet, which is in a building that has several other multiple units. And flats are known for their space-saving qualities and for their convenience. They are ideal for single individuals or those with small families due to the fact that they are much more affordable when compared to a semi-detached or a fully detached house. So that is it on flat, and I hope now you understand the meaning of a flat and you can differentiate between a semi-detached, a fully detached, a terrace, end of terrace, and a flat that I've explained so far. Okay, so that's it today on Understand the Real Estate term with Abiola. And if you have any question or you're not clear on anything, drop a comment. I'll be glad to answer your question. If you have any term in mind you want me to explain, let me know. I'll be glad to explain them to you. And don't forget that I'm the real estate expert that educates you on real estate do and don't, so you don't get your fingers burnt. And I'm the real estate broker that helps you invest in peace of mind and not just a piece of land. So if you need my service, I'll be glad to help you.